If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in solar panels, renewable energy, or at least partnering with a company that you can refer your homeowners and your leads to. Powur is that company. They're an online nationwide solar platform that we're going to cover in about 10 minutes. So we're going to go briefly through who Powur is, their business model, the solutions that they offer, why you should leverage the Powur platform, and we're going to talk about how to join Powur. So again, whether you're a solar professional, whether you're a realtor, roofer, electrician, this model has something for you. So Powur was founded in 2014 by the CEO, Jonathan Budd, in the rainforest. He was a pioneer in digital marketing, building businesses at an early age. And he just had a dream and vision of sustainable energy and had a new idea and a way to bring it to the masses, to the country. Powur has a range of executives. The VP of Sales, Bobby Smith, Chief Technology Officer, Customer Service, Project Coordinator, Operations Director, Accounting Director, Marketing Director, a whole bunch of executives ensuring that Powur is a successful business. And they've been around since 2014. I've been selling solar over 6 years myself. My reputation, my hundreds of clients is very important to me. And partnering with a successful solar company that gets my customers taken care of and installed is very important. So they've been around since 2014. They used to partner with Solar City Tesla. They used to give leads to some of the nation's biggest solar companies. Fast forward to 2018, they said, there's a better way. We can offer a better way and a cost of goods, transparent way to sell solar across the country. One of the coolest things about Powur and what they stand for is obviously clean energy, renewable energy, helping our planet. They've partnered with a company called Offset.Earth to ensure that every independent consultant, every employee, our footprint is carbon negative. So planting trees to ensure that every step of our business and the emissions is taken care of through clean, renewable energy. Now, if you think of everything you do out there, there's some online platform now, right? So the old way of selling, you sell for one dealer, you work for one company, one EPC, smaller commissions, minimal support, no passive income or residual income. You weren't really getting equity ownership and the technology wasn't scalable. So now you can sell for yourself, a very lucrative selling commission, lots of training and daily support, passive income opportunities, and equity opportunities, earning stocks with technology that is totally scalable. So, like I was saying, everything we do now, Uber, Amazon, eXp Realty, one of the nation's largest real estate companies, they all have an online platform. Nationwide online footprint have grown extremely quickly. And that's why Powur is set up to be one of the biggest solar companies in the country. And we know that solar is very popular. Only 2 million homes out of 130 million have solar right now. 90 million of those do qualify to go solar zero down. So what's driving it is that it's zero down. You can finance this thing, add value to your home, have immediate savings. You can fix the cost of your energy and pay off your own energy bank, locking in benefits and savings and helping with renewable clean energy. So we know that this is a very popular item right now. We're seeing it on every block across the country as more and more people adopt renewable energy and want to feel good with clean renewable energy. So let's get into a commission example, compensation. In California, for example, our cost of goods is about $1.75. Some people call that the red line. Let's say we're going to sell a 10 kilowatt system. So the cost of goods is $17,500. We're going to sell it at $3.50. A lot of companies or nationwide companies sell this at $4 per watt or 40,000. So we're going to sell it at $3.50. This is going to include some adders. Maybe a lone adder, maybe an electrical panel, different things like that. So the net revenue, 35,000 minus 7,000, subtract the cost, is 10,500. That's the margin that's left. We, as independent consultants, get 70% of the margin, $7,350. Powur keeps 30%, so it's a 70-30 split. They're going to keep $3,150. But I'm going to show you what they do with that in just a second. Some of the average commissions are around $7,100 right now. Powur does have to keep a minimum of $1,500 to do a transaction. Powur has been around since 2014. They're a nationwide platform with thousands of successful installations across the country. Their standard warranties, 25 years panel, 12 to 25 inverter, 10-year workmanship, 5-year roof penetration. But we take it one step further. We give you the nation's best 30-year extended coverage through Solar Insure. Complete coverage, parts, labor, equipment, shipping costs, even the roof penetrations are protected in case of repair for 30 years, no deductibles, 100% parts and labor. This is transferable to another owner of the home in the future. This is an A+ rated company backed by a giant insurance company. So if you want to stand out in the industry and beat the competition, 30 years parts and labor guaranteed on top of the standard warranties is great. So besides selling solar, which is what we're here to do, Powur also offers a revenue sharing system or overrides. You can tell other people to join Powur. You will earn 20% of whatever Powur keeps. Now you can leverage this multiple levels. It's one of the first companies to offer this, and most companies have some sort of revenue share model as well. It's paid from the 30% that Powur keeps, not from our commissions. And it's up to 6 levels deep. So there's no limit to the amount you can earn passively from the consultants on your team. Let's take a look at an example. You bring someone in under you with your website, your join link. When they sell a deal that gets installed, within a few weeks, you will receive approximately $550 on average. Could be more, could be less. Now, if you're able to bring in 5 people personally, and those people start bringing in someone, that's 2 levels down. You're going to earn 10% of what Powur keeps, or an average of $275. And as your team grows, you tell some people that tell some people that tell some people. You know, once you bring in 10 personally, now you're earning 5%. Any installations 3 levels below you. So this is 6 levels of passive revenue sharing. Now, there is a mentor program. If you are looking to earn 50% of the commission just for passing off a lead, maybe you're a realtor, maybe you're a roofer, maybe you're an AC, HVAC person, electrician, door-to-door home security system. If you want to use our platform to put a lead in with a utility bill and assign it to a mentor, like myself or other solar pros in the system that are mentors, you will simply receive 50% of the commission once the job gets installed, just for handing off the referral. Now, the mentor program is for everybody. Your first deal, if you are a solar pro, your first deal does have to be with a mentor 50-50. If you're not a solar pro, Your first 3 deals have to be with a mentor 50-50. You can learn from them, learn the slide deck, learn how they sell, and eventually sell on your own. If you never want to sell on your own, this is the perfect option for you. 50-50 split just for handing off a warm referral to a Solar Pro mentor. So this is very important. And after 5 deals being sold on your own, you can then take a test to become a mentor yourself. So Powur also offers equity ownership. You're going to get stock options on your first install, 100 shares of stock. If you bring someone in that you sponsored, you're going to get 50 shares of stock on their first install. And there's yearly performance goals. 25 installs or 50 installs a year gets you a lot of stock options. When the company goes public in the future, there will be a discounted program for purchasing shares as well. Training is amazing. It's live and daily. They're virtual on our Powur calendar. You'll learn a lot of sales and tips and tricks as well. The technology is total scalable. Real-time proposals. You can edit, remove panels, request proposals. You can sign a contract in 10 minutes, change the financing, cash, anything you want. You can manage it all in your back end, and you can also see your commissions that are paid daily. Team commissions are paid weekly. The technology is great. I'll give you a quick demo. So on Powur.com, you can add a lead. Address, city, state, name, and very soon you'll have a proposal. You'll see the picture of the house. You'll see where you can add and remove panels, the offset, everything at your fingertips. You can change the equipment. You can change pricing, adders, all built into this system. Even the commissions and the margin, homeowner rebates. Maybe you want to give them 12 months of free payments. Offset usage numbers, utility bill escalating in the years to come. All the loans built in. LoanPal, Sunlight, Cash, 20-year 2.99 with a 12-month stimulus rebate. It's all built into this awesome proposal tool. You can literally change the equipment, Hanwha's, LG, Mission Solar, S Energy, Solar Edge, anything you need, and DocuSign a document to have a sold deal. The backend system gives you online links for people that are interested in getting solar with you or want to join your team under you with Powur. We also have an ambassador program. People can sign up under you for free to be an ambassador and refer you leads and get $1,000. So when you're part of Powur, you will have the ability to have people join under you as your ambassadors. A lot of tools available at your fingertips with some of the best warranties in the system. So the technology is great. The back end is awesome. We sell across the country in multiple states in blue here. Anywhere you can sell a deal or refer it to a mentor solar pro. More commissions, 70-30, equity ownership, revenue sharing, build a team, build your organization, become a mentor, earn money that way. What does Powur cost? $99 one-time fee. Take your test, take your training, get set up your digital e-wallet. We're not making you sign an exclusive contract. It's okay if you want to sell with other companies and have Powur in your tool belt. Our monthly is a $49 technology cost. As our platform gets better, more tools, ambassador tools, your join link, your solar website landing page, requesting unlimited proposals at your fingertips, all included with the monthly technology cost. So guys, in conclusion, Powur has a lot of tools and resources with very attractive commissions. We're always striving to push down the cost of goods. Whether you're a solar professional like myself, whether you're a realtor, HVAC, roofer, just looking to get partnered up with a good solar company that you can hand off leads to and get 50%, this platform has an answer for you. It's a great quality installation, customer service, end to end. So I strongly suggest whoever sent you this video, get back with them, consider joining Powur, have a phone call about it, dip your toe in, try a few deals, and the best is truly ahead. So thank you, and I look forward to working with you.